After the IAF chief sets the record straight, Kiran Rijiju has shown the mirror to Rahul Gandhi. After Kiran Rijiju slammed Rahul Gandhi for a series of lies on Operation Sindoor in the parliament, citing the IAF chief's massive disclosures, the Congress party has now hit back at the Parliamentary Affairs Minister. The Congress MP Manickam Tagore asks why was Raksha Mantri silent when Rahul Gandhi spoke in the Sansad. He goes on to add the government is hiding behind the IAF chief, asking why did it take days for the Air Chief Marshal to make these disclosures. So again, going on to question the timing. Kritika continues to stay live with us. And Kritika, while the government has made it clear, in fact, the forces have also made it clear that it was because of reasons that they had not revealed these details earlier, but they are now ready to divulge the details of what happened during Operation Sindoor. And yet again, the opposition now questions the timing of it.
Well, absolutely. This is the first defense of the opposition to cast aspersions over the timing of the statements. On one hand, there are leaders who are also questioning the timing of these disclosures being made by the Chief of Army, whether the Air Chief Marshal or the Chief of Army Staff, General Upendra Dwivedi, as well as the video got out today. Both of these timings are being questioned. Earlier also, we've seen the same happen. Now, Mr. Manickam Tagore of the Congress party is also raising questions on why did these disclosures were not made during the discussion on Operation Sindoor by Defence Minister himself, by Rajnath Singh himself in the Parliament. Why are they hiding behind, in fact, the Army Chief? However, the larger idea continues to be, remember, Operation Sindoor, as we have heard from the sources as well as from government bodies as well, whether it is the External Affairs Ministry or the Home Ministry as well, that this is in fact an ongoing operation. So depending on certain technicalities and timings, these disclosures are coming now. So instead of in fact, sitting with the disclosures that have been made, studying the significance and the impact of it, we're seeing that questions again from the opposition is being raised on the timing per se. What is also being asked of the opposition, despite all of this, is also an account of the losses that India has also suffered. This again has been addressed by the Army Chief himself.
And that makes it clear that no matter how many clarifications are issued, whether it is by the Ministry of External Affairs, by the government, or even by the forces, the opposition is going to be unrelenting and will continue to raise these questions. Thank you for joining us with those details. We are breaking updates now coming in as trade